All right, so this is the last part of our lecture today. So, how much memory do I need? This is the questions. So, the best answer for the questions, all you can get, for example, there's some, if you have Windows 8 or 7, that's required at least 2 gig RAM. You can search about all operating systems. RAM is limited also, but more is better, RAM limited for 32-bit operating system is 4 giga. If your system 64, meaning at least 128 giga of RAM, um, can you set up to, sorry, can you set up to 128, which is very good RAM, because sometimes if you put the more, the computer doesn't support. The operating system will not see it. So 64 installation Windows 7 can install till 16 giga. So different operating systems, different. This example, we can search, you can find documentation, and etc. So open how you install, how many, and what kind of memory modules are currently installed. So what the kind of memory you have now. You need to open the computers, open the case. How many slots, how many fields, if you don't have the documentation, the catalog of the motherboard. Examine modules of physical size, notch and positions. Read the motherboard documentation, see if the board support dual. Again, if when you open the case, you're gonna see the motherboard type, number. You can, if you don't have the documentation, you can Google it and you find this documentation. Least resort, check the motherboard and all memory modules to the good computer part configuration. Again, you need to read the motherboard documentation, indicate how much memory motherboard can physically support. Because sometimes, again, we put the more memory, but the computer hardware or the operating system doesn't support, cannot see it. For example, if my computers or hardware say 128 giga as a maximum, if I put 256 giga will not support. So DIMMs can be installed in single modules. Motherboards supporting dual channeling and install the DIMM in each channel for the best performance. DR3 or DDR3 boards supporting triple channeling for the best performance. Install the three matching DMM and three channel. Motherboards using DR3 dual channels DMM, installing also DIMMs and two blue slots, possibly to use only three DIMMs and dual channels. So again, the question is how many and what kind of module? Sorry, I think we'll repeat this one. Um, no, dual channeling. Dual, for example, the board there are three triple channels using three matching DIMMs. Dual channeling installing DIM. For one installed DIM is place the blue slots, and DDR3 it is channel. Okay, follow the board documentation serial presence. Okay, detected, which is SPT, which is technology that declares module size, speed, voltage, and such, etc. Okay, and serial. So this is number or this code will be show you what kind of memory you can install. A motherboard using DDR DIMMs with the dual channeling allow different DDR DIMM speed in 1 to 4 sockets, support dual channeling. Two blue memory slots and two black slots for dual channeling. Matching, which should be DIM, must be installed in the two sockets. If two DIMs installed in the two black sockets, they must match each other. Compromise if the exact match is not available, mixing unbuffered memory or match memory modules manufacturer. Also, how to select the purchase of the right modules for me. Match memory modules manufacturer if the possible. If mixing memory speed, all modules perform at slow speed. If there is mixing, for example, memory speeding 64 and the memory is 32, so both of them are gonna go 32. So using website search purchase for log search utility matching and the best memory I have, all right. For example, this kind of website show you different type of information about memory. You need to do some research. Uh, Precautions here, always using ASD strap again, turn off the power, unplug the power cord, process the power, press the power button, then remove the case. Handle memory modules with care. Don't touch the edge connectors on memory modules, memory slots. Don't stack cards or modules. Lock notches on one side or the middle for the correct orientations. Installing DIMS, pull the supporting arms, and also use notches on memory edges connector as a guide. Insert the memory straight down on the slots. Ensure supporting arm into the position. New installations are generally uncomplicated, usually involve placing memory on motherboard. Older computers maybe need change the BIOS setup. If new memory not recognized, try resetting the configurations. Upgrade the similar desktop consolidation. Make sure warranty is being voided. Search the best buy on suitable authorized part. Decide how much memory to upgrade. Purchase memory and store it. Be sure to match the type of the memory to type of the laptop supports. That's all we have today, and thank you so much. See you next class. Thank you.